The words affect and effect are very easy to mix up. This slippery duo can send even experienced writers into a spiral of uncertainty.
The verb affect, A-F-F-E-C-T, means to act on, produce an effect, or change in. As in, the cold weather affected the crops. It produced a change in the crops, probably killing them.
It can also mean to impress the mind or move the feelings of. As in, the music deeply affected her. The music changed her feelings or thoughts.
So, when you're looking to use one of these two terms to express an action, chances are you're looking for affect. A-F-F-E-C-T.
If you can substitute the word affect with another verb, you'll know that you're using the right word, as in, the cold weather damaged the crop, or the music deeply moved him.
Effect is most commonly used as a noun, meaning result or consequence. So when you're writing, try to swap out effect for result and see if it makes sense. For example, getting an A+ grade is an effect of his good study habits. The A+ grade was a result of him studying well.
How can you remember the difference? There's one trick to help you use the right word in almost every case. The word raven.
Raven? Wait, what is that, Teacher Aya?
Raven. Remember, affect is a verb, effect is a noun.
That's brilliant! So always remember the word raven to avoid mixing things up. See? We make things easy for you all, so remember, like and subscribe now.
And click the notification bell to be updated with the latest English 101 videos. See you next time!